Hello friend, my name is Rakesh and you're watching Rakesh Sir ki class. Today you are gonna see how my student perform on the stage. So I already made the one video on this topic. If you haven't watched yet, so I will suggest you must watch my फर्स्ट वीडियो. सो आगे बढ़ने से पहले इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को जरूर हिट कीजिए ताकि आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको बिल्कुल टाइम पर मिल जाए. तो चलिए दोस्तों शुरुआत करते हैं इस वीडियो की और देखते हैं हाउ माय स्टूडेंट परफॉर्म ऑन द स्टेज. सो हियर वी गो.
Good morning to all. My name is Deepika. I am from Bari. I have done graduation. Nowadays I am learning English. I want to become a teacher without being boastful. I have it in me. My father is retired from BSNL department. My mother is housemaker. My hobbies are playing badminton and dancing. My strength is I am punctual. My weakness is I can't go without food.
Have you taken breakfast?
Yes, I have taken breakfast.
Forgive my language. Do you abuse?
I try not to abuse, but sometimes I can't help it.
Do you take chocolate?
Yes, I take chocolate.
Do you take milk?
Yes, I take milk
Why do you take milk?
because I like it.
What time do you go for?
I go for morning walk at 6 o'clock.
What time do you take lunch?
I take lunch 1 o'clock.
Can you lift 50 kg?
No, I cannot lift 50 kg.
Where did you buy the sweater from?
I bought the sweater from Jao.
Have you taken tea?
Yes, I have taken tea.
Do you take milk?
Yes, I take milk
Why do you take milk?
because I like it.
What time do you take breakfast?
I take breakfast at 8 o'clock.
Can you lift this pen?
Yes, I can lift this pen.
When did you buy the sweater?
I bought the sweater from Jao.
What will you do after the class?
I will go to bus stop and after that I take bus and I reach at home 1 o'clock. After that I take tea and after that I take siesta and 3 o'clock I get up and after that I study and after that 5 o'clock I go for evening walk and 6 o'clock I come back at home and after that I make the dinner and 7 o'clock I take dinner and after that I study 2 hours and 10 o'clock I go to bed.
Can you lift 50 kg?
No, I cannot lift 50 kg.
Can you run fast?
Yes, I can run fast.
Did you used to play marble in your childhood?
Yes, I used to play marble balls in my childhood.
Has your cousin got a passport?
Yes, my cousin has got a passport.
Do you take burger?
No, I do not take burger.
When time will you take dinner?
I will take dinner at 8 o'clock.
What's your daily routine?
I get up at 6 o'clock. After that, I go for morning walk. After that, I come back at 7 o'clock. After that, I do exercise. And after that, I take bath. And after that, I make the breakfast. And it's 8:30. I take a breakfast. And after that, I get ready to Perfect Institute. And after that, I reach at 10 o'clock. After that, I attend my classes. And 12 o'clock I go for home and after that I reach at home 1 o'clock. After that I take siesta and after that I get up 3 o'clock and after that I study and after that I go for evening walk and 6 o'clock I come back at home and after that I make the dinner and after that 7 o'clock I take dinner and after that I study 2 hours and 10 o'clock I go to bed.
Have you got a driving license?
Yes, I have got a driving license.
Has your mother got a driving license?
No, my mother has not got a driving license.
How many days have you completed?
I have completed 13 days.
Will you go to temple?
Yes, I will go to temple.
Did you study?
Yes, I will study.
Did you go for morning walk?
Yes, I went for morning walk.
What did you do yesterday?
I got up at 6 o'clock. After that, I went for morning walk, and after that I came back at 7 o'clock. After that I do exercise, and after that I made the after that I took bath, and after that I made the breakfast, and after that I took breakfast at 9 o'clock. After that I got ready to Perfect Institute, and it's 9:30. I went to bus stop and took bus, and after that I reached at 10 o'clock. After that I attended my classes, and after that I went to home at 12 o'clock. After that I reached at home 1 o'clock. After that I took tea, and after that I took siesta, and after that I got up 3 o'clock. After that I studied 2 hours, and after that I went for evening walk, and after that I came back at 6 o'clock, and after that I made the dinner, and 7 o'clock I took dinner, and after that I studied 2 hours, and 10 o'clock I went to bed. Do you want any question?
No.
No.
Okay.
Good morning, all of you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rajat Kumar. I am from Ladror. I have completed my graduation. Nowadays, I want to become an army officer. Without being boastful, I have it in me. My father is a farmer. My mother is a housemaker. I have 2 siblings. My hobbies are playing cricket and watching movies. My strength is I'm punctual, I'm honest, and my weakness is I can't go without my bag. I can't go without my mobile phone.
Do you take tea?
Yes, I take tea.
Can you move the floor?
Yes, I can move the floor.
Do you take chocolate?
Yes, I take chocolate.
What time do you go to college?
I go to college last year.
Can you lift this table?
Yes, I can lift this table.
Can you run fast?
Yes, I can run fast.
Has he gone to college?
Yes, she gone to college.
Does your parent go for morning walk?
Yes, my parents go for morning walk.
Do you take ice cream?
Yes, I take ice cream.
Did you take milk?
Yes, I took milk.
Have you got a pen?
Yes, I have got a pen.
Did you go for temple?
Yes, I went to temple.
Have you taken breakfast?
Yes, I have taken breakfast.
Where did you buy the jacket from?
I bought the jacket from Ladror.
Have you got a driving license?
No, I have not got a driving license.
Have you got a pistol?
No, I have not got a pistol.
Have you got a car?
Yes, I have got a car.
When did you buy the car?
I bought the car last year.
What time do you take tea?
I took tea. At 6 o'clock.
What time do you take breakfast?
Sorry.
What time do you take breakfast?
I take breakfast at 9 o'clock.
What will you do after the class?
After the class, I will go to home. After that, I will take lunch. After that, I will take siesta. After that, I will study for 2 hours. In the evening, I will go for evening walk. After that, I will come home at 7 o'clock. After that, I will take dinner. After that, I will study for 2 hours, and after that, I will go to bed.
Tell me about your daily routine.
My daily routine is I get up early. After that, I go for morning walk at 6 o'clock. After that, I come home at 7 o'clock. After that, I take bath. After that, I take tea. After some time, I get ready. After some time, I get ready for come to Perfect Institute. After that, I come to Perfect Institute at 10 o'clock. After that, I study here for 2 hours. After that, I go to home at 12 o'clock, and I reach home at 1 o'clock. After that, I take lunch. After that, I take siesta. After that, I study. After that, I study for 2 hours. After that, in the evening, I go for evening walk, and I come back home at 7 o'clock. After that, I take dinner, and after that, I study for 2 hours, and after that, I go to bed.
How many days have you completed?
I have completed 13 days.
Tell me about your daily. Tell me about your yesterday routine.
My yesterday routine is I got up early. After that, I went for a morning walk. After that, I come. After that, I came back home at 7 o'clock. After that, I took bath. After that, I took tea. After some time, I got ready for come to Perfect Institute. After that, I reached Perfect Institute at 10 o'clock. After that, I studied here for 2 hours. After that, I went to home at 12 o'clock. After that, I reached home at 1 o'clock. After that, I took lunch. After that, I took Sinsta. After that, I studied for 2 hours. And after in the evening, I went for evening walk. After that, I come home at 7 o'clock. After that, I took dinner. After that, I studied for 2 hours, and after that, I went to bed.
Where will you go tomorrow?
I will go to Hamirpur tomorrow.
In which subject your favorite?
Physics is my favorite subject.
Which subject is your weak?
Uh, Chemistry is my big subject.
When did you go to Hamirpur?
I went to Hamirpur last month.
What time do you take tea?
I take tea at 6 o'clock.
When, when did you go to yesterday?
I went to home yesterday.
Where will you go after the class?
Uh, I will go to home after the class.
Has he got a pistol?
Yes, he has got a pistol.
Can you run after a butterfly in your childhood?
No, I cannot run after a butterfly in my childhood. To ask any question?
No.
That's all.
Good morning, everybody. Let me introduce myself. My name is Manmeet. I am from Ladror. I have done my graduation. Nowadays, I am learning English. I want to become an army officer. Because without being boastful, I have it in me. I have two siblings. My father is a businessman. My mother is a housemaker. My strength is I am punctual. I am honest. My weakness is I can't go without my phone. I can't go without my bag.
Will you go to Simla?
Yes, I will go to Simla.
Do you take coffee?
Yes, I take coffee.
When will you go to Shimla?
I will go to Simla next year.
Do you take pizza?
Yes, I take pizza.
Do you take prantha?
Yes, I take prantha.
Does your mother take coffee?
Yes, my mother take coffee.
Can you move the floor?
Yes, I can mop the floor.
What time do you take dinner?
I take dinner at 10 o'clock.
Do you like chocolate?
I like chocolate.
What do you take?
Does he go for morning walk?
Yes, he goes for morning walk.
Do you take chocolate?
Yes, I take chocolate.
Have you gone to Delhi?
Yes, I have gone to.
What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday I got up at 5 o'clock. After that I went for a morning walk. After that I came back to home. After that I took milk. After that I took bath. After that I get to ready for a Perfect Institute. After that I attend the class. After that I go to home. After that I took lunch. After that I took Sinsta. After that I in the evening. After that I went for evening walk. After that I went for evening walk. After that I came back to home. After that I took milk. After that I took dinner. After that I went to bed.
What will you do after the class?
I will go to home. After that I will lunch. I will take a lunch. After that I will take Sinsta. After that I will go for evening walk. After that I came back to home. After that I will take milk. After that, I will take dinner. After that, I will go to bed.
Forgive my language. Do you give bribe?
No, I try to not to give bribe, but sometimes I can't.
Were they playing yesterday?
Yes, yes, they were play yesterday.
Where did you buy the sweater from?
I bought the sweater from Hamirpur.
How many days have you completed?
I have completed 15 days.
Is he going?
Yes, he is going.
Can you lift this bench?
Yes, I can lift this bench.
Can you lift 50 kg?
Yes, I can lift 50 kg.
Do you want to take medicine?
No, I do not want to take medicines.
Can you explain me your daily routine?
Yes, I can explain my daily routines. I get up at 5 o'clock. After that, I go for a morning walk. After that, I come back to home. After that, I take milk. After that, I take bath. After that, I get ready to Perfect Institute. After that, I attend the classes. After that, I study in 1 hour. After that, I go to home. After that, I take lunch. After that, I take siesta. After that, in the evening, I go for evening walk. After that, I come back to home. After that, I take milk. After that, I take dinner. After that, I take milk. After that, I go to bed.
सो फ्रेंड, जैसे कि आपने देखा, दे आर स्पीकिंग वेरी वेल. सो अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए. तो मिलते हैं दोस्तों अगले वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत.